Want to turn your favorite memories into a stunning hard collage in Canva? I will show you the easiest way to do it in Canva. Open Canva, click Create, choose print or whatever size you want. I will choose flyer. Go to Element and type heart. I will choose this shape. Then I will type circle. I will move it here, increase the size. So I want this heart shape, not boring. So I add this circle, okay? And then back to element, go to frames and type here circle. I will choose this one. Okay, and then I will duplicate it and I will place some big circle for the big photos. Carefully adjust the size and place it on the place that you want. All right, now we'll add the circle. I will not place a photo in this second circle. I just change the color. All right, now make so many copy to make the photo courage look like heart shape. I think we can add some photo frame here. And also here. If you want, you can add some photo here. A photo here, I mean. Okay, feel free to add photo frame or just color circle. And then you can change the color of these circles. Feel free to change to your favorite colors. Even the gradient. And then the last is remove this heart shape. Okay, now you have it and you can add some text here, maybe Happy Valentine. But please don't add too many ornaments to make the shape more visible. And then add the photo that you want here on the circle frame. Alright, so this is the tutorial. I hope it helps you. See you next video and have fun with Canva.